Hey everyone! Welcome to the Data Professional Basics certification. Today, we're diving into a free certification packed with hands-on Excel projects. Let's get started. First things first, head over to the Data Intelligence Professionals website at cdips.org. Register for an account if you haven't already. Next, locate the Data Professional Basics certification and click to enroll. This certification covers essential data analysis tools and techniques, with 5 quizzes and hands-on projects across Excel, MySQL, Power BI, and Python. This project is designed to test your skills in data cleaning, analysis, and visualization using Excel. You'll work with 2 datasets, sales transactions and customer details. Your goal is to clean the data, perform detailed analysis, and present your findings in a professional report. Along the way, you'll gain hands-on experience with essential Excel functions and tools that are critical for any data analyst. Let's start by understanding our dataset. Open the Excel file to review the 2 sheets, sales transactions and customer details. In the Sales Transactions sheet, we have several important columns. Transaction ID, this uniquely identifies each sale, ensuring we can track individual transactions. Date, this shows when the transaction occurred, which is crucial for time-based analysis. Customer ID, this links each sale to a specific customer, helping us track who made the purchase. Salesperson, this identifies the salesperson responsible for the transaction, providing insight into individual performance. Customer name, this shows the name of the customer associated with the transaction. Product ID, this links to a specific product, helping us track sales of each item. Product name, this details what product was sold, which helps in product performance analysis. Product category, this categorizes the product, allowing us to analyze sales by different product types. Quantity sold, this indicates how many units of each product were sold, which is crucial for understanding sales volume. Unit price, this is the price per unit of the product, which helps us calculate total sales revenue. Total sales, this column captures the total revenue from each transaction, calculated as quantity sold multiplied by unit price. Region, this shows the geographical area where the sale occurred, useful for regional analysis. In the Customer Details sheet, you'll find Customer ID, this links to sales transactions and helps in identifying specific customers. Customer name, this provides the name of the customer, useful for creating customer profiles. Email, this offers a way to contact customers for follow-ups or marketing. Phone number, this gives another contact method to reach customers directly. Address, this provides the customer's address, which can be useful for regional analysis or targeted marketing. Understanding these columns is key. The Transaction ID and Date help track and categorize sales, Customer ID and Customer Name link sales to specific customers, and Salesperson gives insights into individual sales performance. Product ID, Product Name, and Product Category help analyze product performance. Quantity sold, unit price, and total sales are essential for calculating revenue, and Region provides geographical context. In the Customer Details sheet, email, phone number, and address offer additional contact and location details. By understanding these columns, we set the stage for effective data cleaning and analysis, ensuring accurate and meaningful insights. Now that we have a solid understanding of our dataset, the key columns, data types, and what each sheet represents, it's time to ensure the data is clean and ready for analysis. To begin, we'll take a closer look at the sales transactions sheet. Our goal here is to clean up any inconsistencies, remove duplicates, and fill in missing values, ensuring the data's accuracy. We'll start by eliminating any duplicate entries, which can distort our results if left unchecked. Select the entire sheet, navigate to the Data tab, and click on Remove Duplicates. This simple step is crucial for maintaining data integrity. With duplicates removed, our next step is to ensure consistency in our Date column. It's essential that all dates are formatted correctly to avoid errors in time-based analyses. To do this, select the entire Date column, navigate to the Home tab, and set the format to Date. This will standardize the date entries across the dataset, ensuring accuracy in our time-based insights. For missing customer IDs, we'll cross-reference the customer names with the customer details sheet. This ensures every transaction is correctly linked to a customer, which is vital for tracking sales and customer behavior. Next, we'll check for any missing quantities or prices. Set missing quantities to a default of 1, and ensure all prices and quantities are positive. Conditional formatting will help us quickly identify and correct any anomalies. For missing total sales values, we'll calculate them using the formula quantity multiplied by unit price. This ensures that every transaction reflects its correct value. Finally, in the Customer Details sheet, address any missing emails by entering unknown, and use 0 for missing phone numbers. This ensures that all records are complete and ready for analysis. With our data now thoroughly cleaned and prepared, we're ready to dive into the analysis. This careful preparation lays the foundation for accurate and actionable insights. Let's explore how to use aggregation functions to analyze our data. First, we'll calculate the total sales for each product using the sum function. This helps us understand how much revenue each product is generating. Next, to break it down further by region, calculate the total sales for each product in each region using sumifs. This allows us to see which regions are driving sales for each product, giving us insights into regional performance. Now, let's count the number of transactions for each product with COUNTIF. This function shows us how many times each product has been sold, helping us gauge the popularity of each item. Finally, count the number of transactions for each product in each region using COUNTIFs. This provides a detailed view of transaction frequency by region, allowing for a more granular analysis of sales distribution. Using these aggregation functions helps you summarize and analyze your sales data effectively, making it easier to identify trends and make informed decisions. Let's use the VLOOKUP function to merge data from the Customer Details sheet into the Sales Transactions sheet. This function helps us integrate additional information about customers into our sales records. To pull in email addresses from the Customer Details sheet, use the VLOOKUP formula. This looks up the customer ID in Sales Transactions, finds the corresponding email address in Customer Details, and returns it to our sales data. By merging data this way, we enrich our sales records with valuable customer details. This allows for a more comprehensive analysis of our transactions and provides better insights into customer interactions. Pivot tables are fantastic for summarizing and analyzing your data. Let's start by inserting a pivot table into a new sheet named Pivot Table Analysis. Select your data range from Sales Transactions. First, create a pivot table to summarize total sales by region. Drag Region to rows and Total to values. This will show how sales are distributed across different regions, helping us identify which regions are performing best. Next, let's analyze sales by product. Create another pivot table with Product in rows and Total in values. This will help us understand which products are generating the most revenue and identify top performers. Now, let's also create a pivot table to summarize sales by customer by region. Drag Customer Name to rows, Region to columns, and Total to values. This will help us identify top customers and understand sales distribution across regions. For sales trends, add Date to rows and Total to values. This will show how sales change over time, allowing us to spot trends and seasonality. If applicable, use Salesperson in rows and Total in values to evaluate individual performance. This will help us gauge how each salesperson is performing. Create a bar chart to visualize total sales by region. This chart helps compare sales performance across different regions and quickly identifies which regions are driving the most revenue. Use a line chart to visualize sales trends over time. This chart reveals patterns and trends in sales, helping us understand seasonality and other temporal factors. A pie chart can be used to show sales distribution among different products and regions. This provides a clear view of the proportion of sales contributed by each product and region. Finally, use a column chart to compare sales by customer and salesperson. This chart helps in evaluating individual contributions and identifying key players in your sales team. These charts, derived from pivot tables, offer valuable insights into your data. They help in summarizing sales performance, identifying trends, and making informed decisions based on your analysis. Now that we've thoroughly analyzed our data using pivot tables, it's time to highlight the key findings. These insights are crucial for understanding our performance and guiding future strategies. Let's take a look at the standout results. Before diving into our key findings, we need to ensure that our pivot tables are sorted correctly to highlight the top performers. Here's how you can quickly sort the data in your pivot tables. Step 1. Click inside the pivot table. Start by clicking anywhere within the pivot table that you want to sort. This will activate the pivot table tools. Step 2. Select the field to sort. In the pivot table, identify the column or field that you want to sort. For example, if you're focusing on sales data, click on the Total Sales column in your pivot table. Step 3. Apply the sort function. Next, go to the Data tab on the Excel ribbon, or right-click on the field in the pivot table, and choose Sort. Then select Sort Largest to Smallest to prioritize the highest values at the top. Step 4. Verify the sorting order. Make sure the data is now sorted, with the highest values clearly visible at the top of the list. This will allow you to quickly identify top-performing products, regions, or salespeople. With the pivot table sorted, we can clearly see which products, regions, and salespeople are leading in performance. This organized data will guide us through our key findings. First, let's examine our top-performing products. Widget B leads the pack with the highest sales, reaching 192 units. Gadget A follows closely with 180 units sold. These products clearly dominate in terms of sales performance, making them key drivers of our overall revenue. Following closely are Thing A with 160 units and Thing B with 126 units. However, products like Widget C and Gadget B, each with 90 units, did not perform as well. These insights help us determine where to focus our marketing efforts to boost the sales of these underperforming products. Next, let's review regional performance. The North region is our top performer, with 454 units sold, indicating a strong market presence. This suggests that our strategies in this region are highly effective. In contrast, the East region only achieved 125 units in sales, highlighting a potential area for growth. This significant disparity suggests the need to tailor our strategies more effectively in underperforming regions, perhaps through enhanced marketing efforts or localized campaigns. Finally, let's analyze individual salesperson performance. John Doe tops the list with 454 units sold, showcasing exceptional sales skills and customer engagement. His performance is a benchmark for the team. Jerry Black and Jim Brown also contributed significantly, with 160 and 133 units sold, respectively. However, sales figures for Jane White and Jack Black, with 40 and 36 units sold, indicate areas where additional training or support might be beneficial. These insights are crucial for identifying strengths and areas of improvement within the team. These key findings provide a clear and detailed picture of our current performance across products, regions, and individual sales efforts. By leveraging these insights, we can make informed decisions to enhance our strategies and drive future success. With these key findings in mind, let's now translate these insights into actionable recommendations that will help us capitalize on our strengths and address any gaps. Here are some targeted recommendations based on our findings. Given Widget B and Gadget A's success, our first step is to boost their visibility. Enhance marketing efforts to drive even more sales for these products. For lower performing items like Widget C and Gadget B, we need to consider promotional strategies to invigorate their sales. To address the underperformance in the East and South regions, we should implement localized marketing campaigns. Tailor promotions and offers specific to these regions to increase engagement and sales. This localized approach will help us better connect with customers in these areas and drive sales growth. Our final recommendation is to enhance the skills of our sales team. Provide targeted training and support to help underperforming salespeople improve their results. This investment in our team will contribute to overall sales performance. By addressing skill gaps and providing additional resources, we can elevate the performance of our entire sales team. Now that we have our recommendations, let's explore the proposed strategies to put these ideas into action and achieve our goals. Here's how we can effectively implement our recommendations. Start by focusing on marketing campaigns for Widget B and Gadget A. Utilize the data to craft compelling messages and offers. For Widget C and Gadget B, consider special promotions or bundled deals to boost their sales. Effective marketing will enhance product visibility and drive sales growth. Adjust inventory levels based on sales performance. Ensure high-demand products like Widget B are well-stocked in the North region. Conversely, reduce inventory for slower-moving items like Widget C to optimize inventory costs. This strategic inventory management will help us maintain a balance between supply and demand. Launch a comprehensive training program for underperforming salespeople. Provide personalized coaching and resources to help them improve their sales techniques. Investing in our team's development will result in better performance and increased sales. Develop targeted strategies for the East and South regions. Explore local partnerships, region-specific promotions, and customer engagement initiatives to drive sales and enhance market presence. Tailoring our approach to these regions will help us tap into new opportunities and improve overall sales performance. As we wrap up this project, it's important to consider how we can continue to refine our processes and improve our outcomes. Let's explore a few suggested improvements that could enhance your future analyses. One of the first areas for improvement is enhancing our data collection processes. By minimizing missing values from the outset, we can reduce the time spent on data cleaning and ensure our analyses are based on complete, accurate data. Implementing stricter data entry protocols or automated data validation tools can help achieve this. Another key improvement is to regularly update your datasets. Keeping your data current ensures that your analysis reflects the latest trends and insights, allowing for more timely and relevant decision-making. Set up periodic updates to refresh your data, whether it's weekly, monthly, or as new data becomes available. Finally, continuously review and adjust your sales strategies based on ongoing analysis. Regularly revisiting your data and adapting your approach allows you to stay agile and responsive to market changes. By doing so, you can ensure that your strategies remain aligned with your business goals and customer needs. Now that we've completed our analysis, it's time to compile our findings into a comprehensive report. This report will not only document the steps we've taken but also summarize the key insights and recommendations that will drive future actions. Let's start by reviewing the documentation of our process, ensuring that every action is clearly recorded. First, we imported the sales transactions and customer details datasets into separate sheets. Next, we removed duplicates to ensure data integrity. We then addressed any missing values to maintain the completeness of our data. Data types were corrected, and the dataset was thoroughly cleaned. All these steps have been carefully documented for transparency and future reference. With our documentation in place, we can now focus on summarizing the key outcomes of our work. This summary report will highlight the most significant findings, actionable recommendations, proposed strategies, and suggested improvements that can guide the next steps. Our analysis revealed that the North region has the highest total sales, driven primarily by Widget B and Gadget A. Widget A emerged as the top-selling product across all regions. However, the East region showed the lowest sales, suggesting an area that could benefit from focused improvement. We recommend increasing the inventory of Widget B in the North region to meet the high demand. Introduce promotional offers for Gadget A in regions with lower sales to boost performance. Enhance customer engagement strategies, particularly in the East region, to drive sales growth. Launch targeted marketing campaigns specifically in the East region to tap into its potential. Optimize inventory management to prevent stockouts, especially for high-demand products like Widget B. Conduct customer satisfaction surveys to gather feedback and improve customer service. Improve data collection processes to reduce the occurrence of missing or incorrect data. Implement regular data audits to ensure ongoing data quality. Develop and roll out training programs to ensure consistent and accurate data entry by all team members. By following this documentation and summary report structure, you've clearly communicated the results of your analysis and provided actionable guidance for future strategies. Well done on completing this crucial part of your certification journey. Congratulations! You've completed the Excel project, and in doing so, you've honed skills that are essential for effective data analysis and decision-making. These skills lay a strong foundation for your future work, whether it's in Excel or other powerful tools. As you continue your certification journey, you'll soon be diving into projects involving MySQL, Power BI, and Python. Each of these tools offers unique capabilities for data analysis and visualization, and I'm excited for you to expand your expertise. Stay focused and keep building on the knowledge you've gained here. You're well on your way to becoming a proficient data professional.